In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import and export passwords in Google Chrome. Vertical bar Download Saved Passwords list in Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the window. You will see a menu icon with 3 dots. Click that 3 dots menu icon to open the Chrome Options menu. From that menu, select Passwords and Autofill. After you choose Passwords and Autofill, click Google Password Manager. You may notice that this takes you to the dedicated password management area, where Chrome shows your saved logins and provides tools for exporting and importing. Now that you are in the Password Manager, look at the left side menu. Click Settings. When you land on the Settings page, scroll down until you see Export Passwords. When you find Export Passwords, click Download File. At this point, Chrome will ask you to confirm your identity before it allows the export. Enter your computer login password when prompted. After you confirm, Chrome will generate the export file and download it to your computer. You can open your Downloads folder to verify the file is there, but the key part is that the download completes successfully. Next, we will go through importing passwords back into Chrome using a CSV file. So even though you already exported once, you will stay in the same general password manager area to switch from export options to import options. Go back to the Settings section on the left menu if you are not already there. Now find Import Passwords. Look for the area labeled Import Passwords, and then click Select File. The file you select should be in CSV format, because Chrome uses that format for password import. When the file selection window appears, choose your saved CSV file from your computer. After you have selected the correct file, click Open. Chrome will then process the file and prepare to import the passwords into your Chrome password store. Once the import starts, give Chrome a moment to finish. The timing can vary depending on how many passwords are in the CSV. When it completes, you can return to the Password Manager area to confirm that the imported passwords are available. If you do not see them right away, refresh the page and check again. And that is all there is to it.